my beautiful bugs. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Brooke. Today, we are going to be doing something a little different. My dad is going to be doing my voiceover for this tutorial. I'm a little nervous for him. He doesn't know the names of any makeup products. My dad is my #1 supporter of my YouTube channel. He does watch every single video and comments on every single video. But I don't think he actually pays attention to the products that I use or what their names are called, so this should be fun. Let's just jump right into it.
Hello, my beautiful bugs. It's me, Brooke again. Here, going to do my lids. What to do? What colors should I pick today? First, I'm going to take my concealer, Alabaster, and I'm going to just slather it up in the crease of my eye, up across my lid. Oh yeah. Now that we've got that on, I take my dirty egg and beat the crap out of my eye. That's right, beat that eye. Get it in there. Now that I look like a raccoon, I'm going to take my color palette. That's right, flip it open. Oh yeah. Oops, broken. Here's the tape. No, fooled you for my eye. That's right, I am going to tape my eyes wide open so that I have to watch a marathon of cartoons later. Anyway, now I take my brush and I pick any color I want. That's right, I never know what I'm gonna put on my lid. And I start working that crease. Damn, I could do a really straight line, can't I? Okay, now I'm blending. Using my e.l.f. brush, working that line and just blending it all into the lid. Now I'll grab a second color. That's right, I'm risky. And I start working that second color down. I mean, am I not the artist? A regular Leonardo da Vinci. That's right, work the corner because the corner is most important. And don't be afraid to poke yourself in the eye. You'll get over it. All right, now let's keep working that corner. Next, I use my fluffy brush to blend out the rest of the eye. That's right, work it right across. Now, if you look at this is pretty majestic if you think. I mean, right now, I could walk the runway.
Dad.
Now I'm dipping into a really dark brown. And again, blending. Kind of like Catwoman at the moment. Working it. Working that corner. You see how it looks? Look at that. Now that's a good finished product, and I'm not even done. I could do such a straight line when I want to. Imagine after a couple of drinks. Listen, girls, don't do this when you're drinking and driving. Just do it at home in the mirror, like me. I'm a professional. All right, so we're grabbing another brush, and we're going to continue working that corner. Why am I working this corner feverishly and never stopping? I have no idea. But the end product is going to be great. That's right. Work that corner. Next, I use a flat packing brush, not to pack my groceries, and a setting spray. Look at that, little spritz, and now it stays on the brush. And I'm using a copper tone. That's right. Put the brush in, and then put that in the corner of your eyelid. And just work that corner inside your eye. Nice and smooth. And I could do this with one eye open. That's it. And that's a great, look at the tone. I mean, the texture is amazing. And now I'm getting that corner. Look at that way it's bringing it out. I look like a hawk. That's great. You gotta love this. I mean, seriously, this is better than when I was a little girl and used Crayola crayons on a piece of paper. Next is the eyeliner. Well, let's put that on and bam! Like Emerald Lagasse says, it is done. Now, what to do next? Let's see. I think I'll just look at my face for a while because I look great. But see this Q-tip? Nope, it's not for my earwax. I'm going to use this here to take just a little more on the palette, dip it in, and this is where I start doing the under eye. That's right. Be careful here because there's no big lid and you got to be really steady. Look at how wide my eye was open. That's it. Grab another color and I'm going to blend with 2 Q-tips. Look at that. Before it was just 1. Now I'm doing it with 2. It's like when you're riding a bicycle. Look, Mom. No hands. Look, Mom. 2 Q-tips. So I'm getting this done, and trust me, when it's all over, girls, the 3 hours is worth the wait. Now I'm taking a teal color to the under eye. That's going to make it pop. Give it a little sparkle. Yeah, you see how that's bringing it out? And now I'm just misting myself like I'm in a hot salon somewhere, spraying the mist of rain. And here we go, lashes. What is that? Now the look is complete. What do you think? I look good, don't I? Great. Eyes closed, eyes open. I'm telling you, Vogue, I am around the corner. What's the outro? What am I doing?
Dad, you're just sitting here.
It's good lighting, Brooke.
I know.
Move your head. There you go. All right, go ahead. Yes, I'm ready. I'm ready for my debut. Yes.
Here he is, the man, the myth, the legend, Liam Neeson, my dad.
I have a very special set of skills. One that could put the right amount of makeup on your face. The right lipstick.
I was gonna say you're gonna get me copyrighted.
The right eyebrows. Like Brooks. Always on point.
Fleek.
Yes.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also click the bell icon down below to get notified every time I post a new video. See you guys next time.
I was making sure it was off.
You what?
I was making sure it was off.
It's off.
Yes. So it's playing now.
No.
See the timer. Are we done?
Yeah.
This is my exit.